create an online store for home improvement products. Hey guys, welcome to this new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can create your online store using Squarespace platform. So this is the main page of Squarespace. You can just click on get started to scroll and see the templates that are available in this website or this platform, and then you can choose the template that suits you, and you can adjust it to match your online store. And you can always choose the blank template that you can adjust from scratch to make your online store. So let's scroll through those templates that are pre-made templates by the platform, and here you can choose by the type of your website, if it's an online store in our case, or if you want to choose by the topic from art and design, photography, food, entertainment, local business, fashion, travel, media and podcast, home and decor. So let's go with home and decor and see the templates that matches our desire. So those are the ones that are in our niche: brightening homes with unique durable products. Here we have Candy Furniture. So let's go with this one, which is the Ventura template. So if you want to see the template, you click on preview. Just wait a little bit for the template to load. So after it's loaded, you can check the template. You can always click on view demo site to see the template in full. So this is our template. This is how it looks. Pretty simple. So this is the template. It needs just some adjustments and some editing, and it will be good to work with. So let's click on start with this design, and we wait for them to set things up for us. And the first step is giving a title for our site. So you just give it a title. If you don't have one, you can skip that step. And if you give it one, you can always change the title anytime you want. You just give it homey. Let's go with home product, and let's click on continue, then next, and next again, and then click on get started, and you will proceed to adjusting your website. So here we have, in our left, we have the website section. You click on website, and we can edit our pages, add a page or delete a page, or edit its settings. And here we have the utilities, where we can add our CS code or change these pages. So if you have your own CS code, you can add it on website tools, as you can see here, or if you have a code injection, or if you want to add your cookies and visitor data. So let's go back, and here we have the commerce section, where we have, if we want to add our products or see our orders. So here, if you want to add your products, and if you want to add your payment processors, your subscription plan, if you want to upgrade your subscription plan, and here if you want to publish your store to go live and start selling, and here some other ways for selling, if it's a memberships or scheduling, and here for the marketing area, email campaigns, member areas, SEO, and if you want to hire an expert in designing to help you build your store, and here if you want to add your payment processors, you just go to commerce settings. So let's go back, let's click on home and let's go back. Here we have the marketing area. If you want to add your meta pixels and ads, and if you want your SEO to adjust your SEO appearance, and if you want to grow your audience. So let's go back also. And by scrolling down, you will see your settings. If you want to adjust your payment processors, from here, store payments, and you can add your payment processors if it's a Stripe account or your PayPal or Square for the United States residents. So let's go back. And here we have the profiles and settings. If you want to set your settings, and by clicking on edit, you will be able to start designing your website. So just wait for some seconds and it will show up like this, and you will be able to drag and drop elements like sections, blocks, images, and texts. Just by simply dragging and dropping them, you can adjust. So here you can adjust the site header by clicking on here. You can change the logo, you can change the site title, element, style, and you can choose if you want it to be in fixed position, or if you want it to move with you while you're scrolling. Here you can change the logo for the laptop view or desktop view, and you can also change the logo for the mobile view. So just leave it at the desktop view, and here we can edit the section, remove the whole section or move it down, or if you want to add a block. And if we click on edit section, you can change the image in the section right in the background. You can add an image or change the one that you already have, and here you can change the colors. You can also add a video or art, and also you can change the format, if it's full screen, and you can also add styling, as you can see. So let's go back, and by scrolling down you can adjust all the sections that you have and the blocks also. So that's it for today's video. I just wanted to give you an idea of the platform. I hope you find the video useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.